In this video, I'm going to share with you the 5 tips that are going to grow your YouTube channel faster. Now, these are the secrets that we've used on our videos to grow our channel to over 3 million views. And make sure you watch the video all the way to the end, because the final tip I'm going to share with you is the quickest way to grow your channel with the least amount of effort. And that's what we're all about. Tip number 1, audience retention. This is such an important factor because the YouTube algorithm follows audience retention. YouTube is constantly monitoring what people are watching and which videos they're enjoying the most by how long they watch the video for. So if you're creating videos with a good audience retention, YouTube is going to start pushing your videos and you're going to get more views and grow faster. So what's a good audience retention on YouTube? You want to retain 75% of your viewers to the first 30 seconds of your video. And then you want to make sure you're retaining 50% of your audience to the end of every single video. When you're first starting out, this is going to be really hard to hold half your audience to the end of your video. If you're battling to hold audience retention, try making shorter videos. And once you've mastered retaining half your audience to the end of your videos on shorter videos, then you can start expanding to longer videos that are more complex and harder to hold audience retention in. Tip number 2, production quality of your video. Now, I'm not saying that you have to produce a Hollywood blockbuster, but it's really important to make sure that your production quality is as high as it can possibly be within your budget. The 2 most important things to focus on first for production quality is your audio and your lighting. We want to make sure that we have clean, crisp audio in our videos and our lighting is really good so that the people can see what's actually happening in our video. If you don't have expensive studio lighting, then you can use natural lighting outdoors, or you can just film right next to a window. Tip number 3 is to create a network of videos that are all related. This will happen as you start publishing more videos on your channel and start creating connections between different videos. This is a really important factor for you to be able to increase the session time of your viewers. You want to keep people watching multiple videos on the YouTube platform. YouTube likes to reward good session time because it means they can show more ads to people and they can make more money. Increasing your session time is a win-win for YouTube and your channel. You can do this by creating playlists of your videos on your channel around related topics that you know your viewers like to watch. The advantage of having playlists is that it auto plays the next video, which means your viewers are more likely to watch 2, 3, 4, and even 5 videos inside a playlist. So start creating those playlists and sharing them with your audience. You can also customize your YouTube homepage to promote your most popular playlists with the videos that you know are good at holding audience retention. Tip number 4 is to focus on ranking your videos inside of YouTube search. Make sure that you're answering specific questions that you know people are searching for on YouTube with a very specific video that adds value and solves a problem for your viewer. Answering very specific questions within your videos is a great way to accelerate the growth of your channel, and it helps you get consistent views, which means you're getting in front of new audience members that could subscribe to your channel. A great keyword research tool that you can use in order to rank your videos inside of search is TubeBuddy. If you want to find out more about TubeBuddy, you can watch our video here where we show you how to download TubeBuddy and how you can use TubeBuddy in order to rank your videos inside of YouTube search. Getting the click is really important in order to grow your YouTube channel and get more views. If people aren't interested in your video and clicking on it because you have an exciting thumbnail and a great title, then you're never actually going to grow your YouTube channel and get the views that you want. So make sure when you're choosing your title and you're creating the thumbnails for your video, you're keeping this in mind. You need to create thumbnails that people actually want to click on. And the best way to learn how to create thumbnails like this is to look at the big creators. What kind of thumbnails are they using? What kind of colors are they using in their thumbnails? How do they use text? Do they have a picture of themselves in this thumbnail? YouTube is always going to be showing you the best thumbnails right now. So the best way to learn how to make better thumbnails is to look on your YouTube homepage. See what's working right now. What are people clicking on and what gets them excited to want to watch a video? You want your title and thumbnail combo to create the curiosity for your viewer to want to click and know what's inside your video. Once you've earned that click, you need to fulfill the promise. So you can't just create clickbait thumbnails where you're not actually fulfilling the promise. Once people have clicked on your video, you need to fulfill the promise that your title and thumbnail made, because if you can't do this, your audience retention is going to decrease and then YouTube's going to stop promoting your video, which means you're not going to grow as fast as you would like to. Which of these tips is your favorite and the first one you're going to implement on your channel? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you have any questions about growing on YouTube, let us know in the comment section down below and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.